8:16 says, in an experiment to compare 6 different fertilizers for tomatoes, 36 individually potted seedlings are to be used, 6 to receive each fertilizer. The tomato plants will be grown in a greenhouse and the total yield of tomatoes will be observed for each plant. The experimenter has decided to use a randomized block design. The pots are arranged in 6 blocks of 6 plants each on the greenhouse bench. 2 possible arrangements are shown in the accompanying figure. So this is arrangement 1 and this is arrangement 2. One factor that affects tomato yield is temperature, which cannot be held exactly constant throughout the greenhouse. In fact, a temperature gradient across the bench is likely. Heat for the greenhouse is provided by a steam pipe which runs lengthwise under one edge of the bench, and so the side of the bench near the steam pipe is likely to be warmer. So in one arrangement, this side is going to be warmer than this side, and in this arrangement, this side is going to be warmer than this side. So again, we have 6 treatments, okay, six different fertilizers, T1 through T6, okay, and we want to know which way is best to assign the blocks, okay, which arrangement of blocks is better, okay. So in this case, our blocks go like this, and in this case, our blocks go like this. So the answer to this is that arrangement 2 is better, okay. So remember, in each block gets all 6 treatments. So okay, and we randomize the treatments within each block, okay. So in arrangement 2, this block that's close to the steam pipe gets all 6. This block that is close to the steam pipe gets all 6, okay? And this one that's far away from the steam pipe gets all 6, and this one that's far away from the steam pipe also gets all 6. In this arrangement, this block here gets all 6, but there's no way to control. And just by random chance, it's possible that fertilizers 1 and 2 show up very close to the steam pipe most of the time, while fertilizers 3 and 4 show up far away from the steam pipe, okay? Just by randomization, we don't have any control over that. And so what's going to happen in that case is that the type of fertilizer will be confounded with temperature, and both of which may have an effect on tomato plant yield. So in this case, by having the blocks arranged this way and making sure that all 6 fertilizer treatments show up in each block, we can kind of control for that temperature gradient. Alright. B says, prepare a randomized allocation of treatments to the pots within each block. Okay, and so in this case, we can actually use numbers 1 through 6 from our strips of paper again. Okay, and so what we can do is we can say, if we label this block 1, this is block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5, and block 6, then we can mix these up, and I'm going to draw them out, and we're just going to, whatever numbers I draw out, we will put in as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, okay? So this, the first one is going to get treatment 6, alright? And I'm just going to do this for one block, but you can imagine how it works for every kind. Okay, the next one is going to get treatment 2, that's that pot. This pot is going to get treatment 5. This pot gets treatment 1. This pot gets treatment 4. And the last pot gets treatment 3, okay? And so you can see how I randomized the order for each of these pots. And then just taking another block, again I mix up our 6 numbers, and then we can assign these pots just randomly treatments 1 through 6, and that way all the blocks get all 6 treatments, okay? And each treatment 1 through 6 is also present in each one of these blocks.